So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to schedule your reel posting timing on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the left side of your screen. So tap on it, then tap on dashboard, which is available on the bottom of your screen. Then tap on content. After that, tap on plus icon, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on reel. Then scroll down and find a reel. Then tap on next, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then here is the option. You can scroll down and you can see the option of scheduling options. So tap on it. Then tap on schedule for later. Then set a date like this. Then tap on OK. And again tap on OK. Now see, and you can simply tap on save icon, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now from here you can tap on schedule and your post will be available on the scheduling time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.